The mind is not noisy. You are simply too close to it. Long ago, not in history, but in stillness, a seeker sat before Patanjali. The seeker spoke quietly. Master, my mind never rests. Even in silence, it moves. How do I make it still? Patanjali answered calmly. Why do you try to stop the river instead of stepping onto the shore? The seeker replied, because it carries me away. Patanjali said, no, you follow it. The river has always flowed. You have only forgotten that you are not the water. The seeker asked, then who am I? Patanjali said, when a thought appears, who sees it? When fear arises, who notices it? That which notices does not move. The seeker whispered, but thoughts keep returning. Patanjali smiled. The sky does not complain about clouds. Let thoughts come. Let them go. Do not invite them. Do not chase them away. The one who watches is already free. The seeker asked again, what is practice then? Patanjali replied, returning. When the mind wanders, return. When it becomes quiet, return. Not to silence, but to awareness. No force, no struggle, like placing a feather on still water. The seeker felt silent. The mind still moved. Thoughts still arose. But something deeper remained untouched. Patanjali spoke one last time. The mind was never the prison. Only forgetting was. And the moment you remember, even the search ends. What remains has always been here. Still, watching, free.